Welcome to our in-depth comparison of the PICTRON U200 and the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT. If you're a content creator looking for the best tools to enhance your videos, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore how these two products stack up against each other in terms of stabilization, lighting, and overall functionality. Let's dive in. The PICTRON U200 serves as a passive stabilization cage that provides a stable grip for your smartphone while incorporating a powerful LED ring light. In contrast, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT features a 3-axis motorized gimbal that actively compensates for camera shake, ensuring smooth, cinematic footage. This difference in stabilization technology is crucial for creators who prioritize either lighting or motion control. When it comes to lighting, the PICTRON U200 boasts a large, adjustable LED ring light that offers a wide color temperature range, making it ideal for various shooting conditions. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT not only includes a strong integrated LED light, but also comes with an additional magnetic RGB fill light for creative lighting effects, providing versatility for different filming scenarios. The PICTRON U200 features a massive 8,000 mAh battery that not only powers the LED light, but also doubles as a power bank for your smartphone. In contrast, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT has a 3,200 mAh battery that provides up to 12 hours of runtime for stabilization, but it does not serve as a power bank, which may be a consideration for longer shoots. In conclusion, both the PICTRON U200 and AOCHUAN XPRO KIT offer unique advantages for content creators. If you prioritize lighting and battery life, the PICTRON U200 is an excellent choice. However, if smooth motion and advanced features are your focus, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT may be the better option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like